Hi friends, in this lecture we'll be studying aligning and distributing objects. So the first thing which I would request you to do is click on File and select Open and go into the exercise files folder on your desktop, and in the exercise files go into section 3 lectures file aligning and distributing objects and open the file called as stamps.ai, the Illustrator file, and click on Open. So in this file you have certain stamps. They have been randomly placed on the artboard. What we'll be studying today is how to align them. So let us take for example these first four stamps. So we select all of them by drawing a marquee around them like this, and then we select the align dialog box. This is the align control panel. If you don't have it visible, you can click on window and select align, and that panel would be like this. And if you want, you can bring and stack it into the toolbar over here. So these four stamps are there. If I want to align them on the top edge, then I will select this option, vertical align top. So you can see all the stamps have got vertically aligned on the top. Same way, if I select this, they will get vertically aligned at the bottom. And same way, if I select this, they will get vertically aligned center. Now, if I want to adjust the spacing between the stamps, so in Illustrator you have option for that as well. So this is the option. This means horizontal distribution center. So if I click this option, it gets centered horizontally. But you can see that the space between each of these stamps is not equal. The reasons being that all the stamps are of different dimensions. If you see the space from the center point of this to the center point of this, and the distance from the center point of this to center point of this is the same. However, because the stamps are of different dimensions, you don't find them equally distributed. So in such a scenario, what to do? You have to click on this lower right corner align to option, and from there you select align to key object. If you select that option, and then in this dialog box you can specify how much space you want between the two stamps. So take for example I type 20, and after that I click over here horizontal distribute space. Now you will see that equal space is there between all the stamps, and you can change this. Sorry, I'll just undo it. And you can change this space by adjusting these numbers. So I'll one more time select all four and ensure that from here align to key object is selected, and I will make this to 10 pixels and then click here. So you can see that the space between all of them is 10 pixels. Now in the same way, if I want to align it with reference to the artboard, then click here and select align to artboard, and then just click over here. So with reference to the artboard, equally distributed. However, keep in mind that by default it is always aligned to selection, and hence when you click here, maybe you might not find it appropriate, especially when the objects are of different sizes. So that is the time when you select align to key objects and then specify the distance and then horizontal distribute space. Now you can do the same vertically as well. So you have let us select these three stamps over here, and let us select align to selection, and we'll select this option over here, that is vertical distribute center. So you can see it has got vertically distributed, but since the stamps are of different dimensions, you can't find it equally spaced. Then in that case you can click here and say align to key object, give the distance, and then say vertical distribute space. Now you can see that the space is equally distributed, and you can change this space amount and click again to adjust the vertical distribution space. So we have seen vertical align top, vertical align center, vertical align bottom, horizontal align left, horizontal align center, and horizontal align vertical right. Same way we have also seen the different distribute options. So try to understand all these things. I would request you to spend some time in exploring all these options and becoming comfortable with them, because we'll be using them in all the future lectures. So with this, we finish this lecture on aligning and distributing objects. So we'll meet once again in the next lecture. Till then, goodbye.